Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Ayomikun Abraham. In this video today I'm going to be walking you on the steps on how to make your phone run faster, how to make your phone work faster as light, how to make your phone work faster than before. So guys, this simple settings I got it from a source, so I decided to try it out and it worked. I'm using a 2 gig RAM Techno, and after applying these settings my phone is now running like a 4 gig RAM. I can even say like a 6 gig RAM mobile phone. All right, and you can also be wondering that why is my font as tiny as this. I love tiny font, so it's also part of the settings. So I'm going to be showing you two settings in this video: how to make your phone run faster than before, and how to make your phone size to be as tiny as this. So if you are new, you are watching my channel for the first time, I post videos on cheats and tricks on how to make money online, on how to grow your blog and your YouTube. And also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe now and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. And also for my Telegram community, this is the channel I'll be using for now for my crypto content also. So please consider subscribing to my channel. So right now, let me move to my settings. Just go to your settings of your phone. You are using Android phone, just go to your settings. You have to make your Android phone as light, to be fast as light. So let me just show you an example of it. I'm going to click on the minimize button. All right, you can see as fast as it. All right, so the first thing to do is to click on your about phone. Yeah, and you tap on your build number. You tap it 3 times. So you're going to see this something is going to pop up that like you are already a developer or you're now a developer, something like this. All right, so after that, just go back and the developer option will be open. So this is it right here, so you just click on it. All right, then you scroll to almost to the end of the page. Okay, so here is it. Okay, let me just bring my brush out so you guys can see what I'm trying to say. Okay, I want to bring my brush out so I can mark it out for you, okay, without wasting of your time. This is it right here. This is here, the window animation scale, the transition animation scale, and the animator and duration scale. So normally it was on 1x. This is the normal settings that's come with my phone. All right, Windows animation scale, that's 1x. So I changed the settings to, so let me just give you an example. So I'm going to click on the minimize button right now. All right guys, you can see how slow it is. So you can see how slow it is. So I'm going to change it back to 0.5x. So now I've changed to 0.5x. So I'm going to click on it again. So you can see how fast is it now. You can see how fast this is right now. So this is the settings to make your Android smartphone as fast as light. So if you even want your phone to be more faster, you just change it to the animation off. Your phone will be better, it will be much faster. So you can see how fast it is right now. But it's best to change it just to 0.5x. 0.5x is also good. So that's the settings to make your phone to be as fast as light. All right, so the second settings to make your phone smaller is right here. To make your font size to be smaller is right here. All right, this is it right here. So the normal settings with this phone is just 360 width. So you can see that the size is bigger now. You can see it's now bigger. So to make it small, just change it to, I recommend 400. So to change to 399. All right, so that's the best you can use. All right, so you can see that it's not tiny like before. This is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video on how to make your Android smartphone to be as fast as light and how to make your font size to be smaller. So thanks for watching till the end. I hope to see you in the next video. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. And if you enjoy what you have just watched, if you want to support me of making more videos like this, please like this video. Thank you, and see you in the next one. God bless you.